everybody, it's me, Allison from the Furniture Flipping family. I just wanted to give you a little sneak peek of the things that I'm working on and the videos that are coming up in the next 3 to 4 weeks. So stay tuned and see what those things are. And if you would, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. I hope you enjoy this sneak peek. This is the bedside table that I just finished. This video will be coming out next week, and I just love the way it turned out. This is the matching chest of drawers. Now, they're not an exact match, but they're so similar that I am going to put them together. Now, I've started working on it already, taken all the drawers out, and I've cleaned it. And then one thing that I noticed, we are missing some of the trim on the drawer. So I'll be showing you how to make a mold and how to replace the trim on that door. And here are the handles. We'll clean those up. Now, this is my first commission piece. This sofa table, I've already ordered the paint, and I can't wait to get started for my customer, and I hope that she loves how it turns out. This treasure chest I found at a yard sale, and I just absolutely fell in love with it. I thought it was so cute. And I have decided that I am going to turn this into a pirate's chest. And I cannot wait. I've gotten the cutest wallpaper, peel and stick wallpaper to go on the inside. And it's going to be so cute. But as you can tell, it needs lots of work right now. And we're going to start working on it soon. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you soon with some creative flipping.